I wanted to be a surgical tech because I like that every day you're doing something different. It might be the same procedure, but it's always a different patient, and you're always putting that patient first, which is, I think, that is very exciting. Learning the skills in lab and then going out and actually practicing them in person, I think it makes you more confident in being able to do your job and know exactly what you need to do and the reasoning behind why you're doing that. So I think the structure of going right from the classroom to clinicals and actually getting like real experience before you go and start working is extremely helpful. I think the lab is a very good environment because you have the mannequin who is able to breathe and bleed and do a bunch of different cool things. It's very close to the actual OR environment, so I think it helps prepare me a lot more than it would have just been if it was a regular classroom. I'm coming out of school in next month and I already have a job lined up, so it's really awesome that I can come right out of school and start working. I work like 20 minutes from my house, but I chose to travel a little bit. I'm gonna travel like 45 minutes to Easton, just because I'll get more experience right out of school in a bigger hospital that does a lot more specialties, and they do robotic surgery as well.